Have you struggled to earn money with Global Domains International? I know for years I have. Okay, and maybe you're looking at Global Domains International again for a second time or a third time, or maybe you're just looking for a way to make money online, and the fact that it's only $10 a month sounds very appealing. How can I help you with this funnel that I've set up that is centered on GDI? First of all, you need a system to be able to help you. You're not going to be able to be online 24/7. You don't want to be stuck to your phone, stuck to your computer, so you need a system to do the selling and telling for you. That is what I've set up. Works for you 24/7 while you're doing the things you love, while you're living life. All you need is about a 2-hour workday to make this successful. You need to be focused, you need to be persistent in your advertising, and you do need to be patient. Okay? If you can put 30 years into working for somebody else just to at the end of the 30 years be broke, you need to put at least some time into this, okay? A year, a couple years, give yourself some time. Plus, you need to educate yourself to learn new forms of advertising. Okay, also, this funnel is budget friendly. It's got all the traffic sources that I've used that I've loved over the years that have worked for me. Okay, they're budget friendly. Some are $7 a month, some are $10 a month. Some are a little bit more. If you want to go faster, you're going to go up a little bit in price. And there's also free ways to do this too. Social media is all free, but you've got to be willing to do it, okay? This is no bugging the family and friends. You send traffic and you walk away. You let the system do the selling and telling for you. Again, this is a proven blueprint, and here is a little bit of my proof that the blueprint works. Okay, you can see WS signups, Warrior Plus signups, the traffic that I have listed. Okay, you don't have to join every traffic source, but you do need to join more than one. Okay, you need more than a couple. You need to build and scale, and this is what this system lets you do because it's budget friendly. Not only is GDI budget friendly, but all the traffic resources in there is budget friendly. The funnel system itself, you can use it as free, or you can upgrade as a premium member for just like $27, I believe it is now. Now, if you're a free member, you only get one welcome email that you can add to it, plus there's no advertising. If you upgrade, you can have up to 311 emails that I give to you that are pre-written, all done. You just put your link in there, okay? You can use less than that if you prefer. This has multiple streams of income, including the traffic is all affiliate programs in the traffic. So that gives you 16 streams of income. I mean, you don't have to join everything. If you see the funnel, you want to do at least a couple forms of traffic, that's fine. You don't have to do all of them. Start it and scale. Okay? Multiple streams, and this uses leverage at the very best because you're able to, this makes duplication easy. You give this system to your team and they duplicate just like you are, okay? This system works. You can earn and build income with GDI with this if you work this, okay? God bless. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, I'll see you at the top.